Hello and welcome to Heritage Ford here in Corydon, Indiana. Today I want to showcase one of our 2024 Timberline Expeditions. It's kind of like an off-road type. If you can notice, it's got the large wheels, 18-inch wheels, large tires, all for off-road. Comes with the full-size running boards and if you come around the back here, it does have a Class 4 hitch, which is concealed underneath the panel. And if you notice here, you've got little cameras. So that's for when somebody comes alongside you, it will show up in your mirror and let you know, or it'll even let you know when you're going over the lane too far. And you've got the tow hooks in the front, and it's got the orange decorative. All right, you can see you've got bucket seats in the back. It's seat 7, and you've got heating controls back here, heating and air. So the people in the back don't have to worry about what the people in the front are doing. You see you got plenty of room back here. And these seats here are all controlled right here with the control panel. Lays them down flat. You can lay those down flats, and the whole section is completely open for storage. Here's our inside here. You can see all your controls are right on the dash. Or right up here, you have a 5.5-inch screen, full-size screen. You have all your headlight controls are over here. And you have this also has the automatic start and stop push button. You don't need a key. You've got your USB ports, and you also have a charging pad where basically all you have to do is lay your phone on there and it will charge it. Let's show a little acceleration here, if you can feel that. So with that 3.5 high output V6, you got plenty of power. If you need to get out of somebody's way or accelerate somewhere fast enough, you've got it. You'll just take a couple turns here. Well, I hope this gives you a little bit of idea how the Expedition Timberline is. And if you have any other questions, you can call the dealership or go online. You can see a full set of pictures online of this vehicle or any vehicle we have. Every vehicle on our lot has full set of pictures. And if you have any other questions, you can call, ask for product specialist. Our number is 812-738-3284. And thank you very much for your time.